Today on My Creative Manner, we are making Instapot Cilantro Lime Rice. I'm working with my 6-quart Instapot, but any size Instapot will work for this recipe. So into the inner pot, I'm adding 2 cups of water and 2 cups of rice. I also added 1 teaspoon of olive oil. I forgot to show that part in the video. Then I just went ahead and stirred everything and made sure that the rice was completely covered by the water. Then I put my lid on, making sure that my knob was set to sealing. My Instapot happens to have a rice button that automatically sets it to 12 minutes on low pressure. So if your Instapot doesn't have it, then just go ahead and push the pressure cooker button and make sure it's on low pressure, and then adjust your time to 12 minutes. While the Instapot was cooking the rice, I prepared the lime juice. I placed a whole lime into the microwave and heated up for like 20 seconds just to bring out all those extra juices. Now we're moving on to the cilantro. I went ahead and rinsed it under cold water and then patted it dry to remove as much water from the cilantro leaves as possible. I did take a couple minutes to remove the cilantro leaves from the stems. Then I went ahead and made a little pile and kind of chopped it up fine. I needed 1/4 cup, so I kind of eyeballed it honestly on this part. If you don't have fresh cilantro, dried cilantro would work. Once the rice was fully cooked, I went ahead and did a quick release just to get all the extra steam out of the Instapot. Then I went ahead and stirred it once and then added 1 teaspoon of olive oil into the rice and then gave it a good stir. The olive oil helps the rice from sticking together. If you don't mind your rice sticking, then you don't have to add the olive oil. Honestly, it doesn't affect the flavor. Then I went ahead and added my whole lime that I squeezed and then my 1/4 cup of cilantro and mixed everything together. This Instapot Cilantro Lime Rice is such a quick and easy side dish recipe and goes perfect with tacos or fajitas. The full recipe to this Instapot Cilantro Lime Rice is over on our website. I'll go ahead and link that down below. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that follow button. We would love to have you as a subscriber to My Creative Manner.